Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to online school. Today we're going to visit a wonderful city. Look at the pictures. What do you think? Which city is this? You're right. This is Cardiff. The topic of our lesson is Come to Cardiff. Today we're going to read information for tourists about Cardiff, learn some new words, and do some exercises. Let's start. Our first task is
label the pictures. Which of these services do you use?
so picture 1 is hairdresser. Picture 2, library. Picture 3, hotel. And picture 4, tourist information. Picture 5, petrol station. Picture 6, cafeteria. Picture 7, bank. And the last one, swimming pool. Well done! As I have said before, we are going to read some information for tourists who want to visit Cardiff. So let's start. Cardiff Tourist Information Office. Welcome to the beautiful city of Cardiff. On this page, please find some helpful information about different services you might need during your stay here. Tourist information, that's us. For information about places to stay, things to do, and how to get around the city safely and efficiently. You can drop in to our office in the center of town. Email visitor@cardiff.gov.uk or ring up on +44 029 2087 3573. If we don't answer immediately, don't hang up. Leave a message so we can ring you back. If we can't answer your questions, we can put you through to someone who can. Banks are generally open from 9:30 to 4:30. Monday to Friday for you to change the money, but you can take out money anytime you want from ATM. You can send and receive letters and parcels from post offices which generally open from 9 to 5:30. There are a variety of hotels providing basic to luxury accommodation across the city, and we offer an online booking service free of charge. There are also many cafes and restaurants across the city where you can eat in or take away food and drink. Use our eating out guide to help you choose which one. If you have a car, you need to fill up at a petrol station. Many of them are open 24/7 and offer self-service with a debit or credit card. If your car needs repairs, take it to a garage. Most are open from 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. To cut your hair while you are here, visit one of the many hairdressers across the city. Opening hours vary, but you don't always need to book in advance. Cardiff Central Library, as well as many local libraries, provide free information, Wi-Fi access, books, DVDs, and music. For leisure and entertainment, there are a number of sports centers, swimming pools, museums, galleries, and theaters across the city. See our list. If you need urgent medical help, you can visit the hospital accident and emergency department or contact a local doctor or dentist's surgery. Hours vary. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let's check what do you remember. So, number 1. You can visit email or telephone Cardiff Tourist Information Office. What do you think, boys and girls? Is it true or false? The correct answer is true. Number 2. They ring you back if you leave a message. So, is it true or false? The correct answer is true. They are not able to contact anybody else for you if they can't help you. Well, what do you think? This is false. Because they are able to contact somebody for you if they can't help you. Next sentence. Banks are open to change money at any time. What do you think? Is it true or false? Of course, it is false. Banks are only open from 9:30 to 4:30, from Monday to Friday. Next, the Tourist Information Office provides a free online accommodation booking service. So, what do you think? Is it true or false? And it is true. The Eating Out Guide doesn't provide information about places to take away food and drink from. So, is it true or false? It is false. Because the Eating Out Guide provides information about places to take away food and drink from. And petrol stations are often open all the time and offer self-service with a credit card. So what do you think? True or false? Of course, it is true. Let's continue. If your car needs repairs, it's not a problem on Sunday. What do you think? Is it true or false? Of course, it is false. Because unfortunately, it is a problem. You can take your car to a garage only from 9 to 5 from Monday to Friday. Next, you always need to book in advance to cut your hair. I'm sure your answer is false. Because opening hours of hairdressers across the city vary, but you don't always need to book in advance. Let's go further. The libraries only provide book services. Of course, this sentence is also false. Because libraries provide free information, Wi-Fi access, books, DVDs, and music. Next sentence. The city's leisure and entertainment services include sports centers, theaters, and galleries. Our answer is true. And the last sentence. You can only visit the hospital for medical help. Of course, it is false. We have the signal. It means that all the sentences are correct. So, why the last sentence is false? Because you can also contact a local doctor if you need help. My dear students, also I want to pay your attention to multi-verb words. Multi-verb words are verbs with a verb and one or more adverbs or prepositions that change their meaning. Sometimes the verbs can be separated from the adverbs or prepositions and are called separable. Sometimes they cannot and they are called inseparable. For example, you can drop in to our office in the center of town. Drop in means visit. It is an inseparable verb. Ring up on +44 29 2087 3573. Ring up means to make a telephone call. It is separable. You can also say ring someone up. If we don't answer immediately, don't hang up. Hang up means end a telephone call suddenly. It is an inseparable verb. Leave a message so we can ring you back. Ring back means to return a telephone call. It is a separable verb. You can also say ring back a person. If we can't answer your questions, we can put you through to someone who can. Put through means connect by telephone. It is a separable verb. You can also say put through a person or a phone call. If you have a car, you need to fill up at a petrol station. Fill up means to make completely full. It is a separable verb. You can also say fill the car up. You can take out money anytime you want from ATM. Take out means remove money from a bank. It is a separable verb. You can also take money out. There are also many cafes and restaurants across the city where you can eat in or take away food and drink. Take away means to buy food and eat it, away from the place where it's made. It's a separable verb. You can also say take food away. Let's listen and repeat the multi-verb words. Drop in, ring up, hang up, ring back, put through, take out, and take away. My dear students, try to learn by heart the multi-verb words. It is really necessary if you want to improve your English. We can finish for today. I hope one day you will visit this beautiful city with old castles and yellow daffodils, which is the symbol of Wales. I'm sure the information which we have read today will be very helpful when you visit Cardiff. Your home task is to learn by heart the multi-verb words and find some information about the symbol of Wales, daffodils. Thank you very much.